In this video, I will introduce a few tips to ensure the safety of Android apps. Number 1. Check required permissions. Before installing an application through Google Play, you can see the list of required permissions. To do this, first, go to the desired page on Google Play and then touch About this app. Then select See More and then click Permissions. A summary of all required permissions and how they work is now displayed. If an application requests access unrelated to its function, it can show a malicious function. Number 2. Evaluate the number of downloads and release time. Paying attention to the number of downloads and the time of the release of the application is another way to find malware and suspicious titles on Google Play. For example, if it hasn't been more than a year or two since the app was released but has registered millions of downloads, it could indicate that it was installed by unrealistic users. Scammers use bots and fake accounts to increase the number of downloads of their products to gain the trust of more users. Number 3. Note the descriptions of the apps. Sentences that promise to solve all the problems of the user and do not explain its performance, even if the application has in-app payments and does not specify what services you will receive after payment, can be assumed to be fraudulent. Number 4. Read the comments carefully. Research shows that 90% of people base their trust on registered comments, and malware developers take advantage of this by recording unrealistic scores. As a result, it is recommended that you read the comments of other users before downloading a less reputable and popular program. Also, note that the comments with the highest score, 5 stars, are usually displayed first. As a result, using some filters can be useful in achieving near realistic experiences. Number 5. View the developer page or site. By selecting the developer name in Google Play, you can access its website. Examining other applications provided by a developer can be another way to evaluate the security of applications. If the number of products of the company or individual is very small but has recorded many downloads, there is a possibility of using bots.